Good morning, class. Today's topic is importance of financial planning. What is the how financial planning is important? So, sound financial planning is essential for the success of any business enterprise. Its need is felt because of the following reasons. First, it facilitates collection of optimum funds. The financial planning estimate the precise requirement of the fund, which means to avoid wastage and overcapitalization situation. Clear? If we are using proper financial planning, then we can avoid the situation of overcapitalization. You know what is overcapitalization? If you forget, then I remember you that overcapitalization is when investment is made more than necessary. This situation is known as over capitalization. So if we are good in financial planning, then we can avoid the situation of over capitalization. Second one is it helps in fixing the most appropriate capital structure. Now you are well aware of the capital structure. So if you want to have good capital structure, then also you should have good financial planning. Clear? Third one, help in investing finance in right project. There are different types of projects available in the market. So what which project is suitable for your company, it is decided by the financial planning, or we can say financial plan suggests how the funds are to be allocated for various purposes by companies by comparing various investment proposals. Next one is helps in operational activities. The success or failure of production and distribution function of business depends upon the financial decision, as right decision ensure a smooth flow of finance and a smooth operation of production and distribution. Clear? There are different type of operational activities. Operational activity means working, daily working activities. So if we have sufficient fund, we are good in managing the fund. In that case, there will be no problem in smooth running of day-to-day activities. Next is base for financial control. Financial planning acts as basis for checking the financial activities by comparing the actual revenue with estimated revenue and actual cost with estimated cost. Yes, it is also, we can say, it is a controlling device. So whatever estimate we have made, we compare it with the actual expenditure. If both are equal, then we can say we are good in financial planning. If we are doing more expenses as estimation, then we will have to again make the plan. After that, helps in proper utilization of finance. So finance is the lifeblood of business, we know it. So financial planning is an integral part of the corporate planning of business. All business plans depend upon the soundness of financial planning. Clear? जितने भी बिजनेस प्लान है, वो सारे के सारे प्लान इस पे डिपेंड करते हैं कि आप कितने फाइनेंशियली साउंड है. साउंड मीन्स कैपेबल, कितने फाइनेंशियली कैपेबल है, स्ट्रांग है. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फाइनेंस. After that, help in avoiding business shocks and surprises. We know that today's world is a dynamic world. There are different types of situation we have to face in our daily life. If some problem is more critical, in that case we can run out of the finance. But if we have managed a good finance, then we can easily come out of that situation. Clear? So these all were the importance of financial planning. I hope you got the every point. Okay. Thank you so much.